What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, hey, Sharmila here, so nice to meet you. Do subscribe to the channel and join the family. So today's video is very interesting because I'm going to be reviewing some hair care products that I have. So Ktein sent me these two products to try out and I wanted to give my review. So firstly, I have their natural hair detox dry shampoo powder. This is what the packaging looks like. It's a very simple packaging which I really like. It is priced at just rupees 349, which is really affordable for a dry shampoo. It is 100% plant based, which I absolutely love. It improves your hair texture and it also boosts volume and keratin in your hair. My scalp gets greasy very easily, so it is actually a lifesaver for me. You get 25 grams of product and the price is again rupees 349. It has zero chemicals and it is antibacterial. It does not contain any kind of starch, baking soda or alcohol. Now I'm going to quickly show you guys how I like to use it. It's very easy to use, so I'll just quickly show you guys. I'll put it in here and I'm just gonna apply small amounts of it and I'm just gonna massage it into my hair. As you guys can see, it's gonna blend right in and it gives your hair volume instantly. At first I was thinking that maybe the powder will be visible, but it's not at all. It looks very natural and as you guys can see, it has given instant volume to my hair. However, I really like my hair when it's a little flat, but still if you want volume, this gives you instant volume. The second product that I have is their all-in-one natural hair heat protection spray. So it has biotechnologically fermented ingredients. It gives your hair protection with nourishment. It is for pre and post hairstyling. It gives your hair a keratin boost. It gives you frizz-free hair and color protection. Also, it repairs your hair overnight. It contains 100 ml of product and it's priced at just rupees 350, which again is very affordable. I personally use it before straightening my hair. My hair is almost straight, but it's basically a little wavy in the ends, so that is where I straighten my hair. And as you guys can see, it's quite damaged because I dye it a lot and bleach it. So this one really helps with that. Take my hair like this into sections and I just spray it onto my hair, and yeah, it's very easy to use. I let it dry for a while and then I use my straightener, and it actually helps. I straighten my hair without using it and with using it, and this one definitely works for me. So if you guys want to protect your hair from heat damage, like if you style your hair a lot and use a lot of hair products like hairsprays and stuff like that, I would really suggest you guys try this one out. It's going to minimize the damage a lot. It actually helps a lot. If you guys want to purchase any of these products, I'm gonna put the purchase link in the description box down below, so do check it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do give this video a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you have any questions or queries. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.